At least 2000? Well, if he's 2000, then yes, I am much older than him. I have to sneeze really bad. Should I reverb? That would be my demon sound if I was a demon. It would just be the sound of me forcing air out of my nose at very high speeds. Okay.